हय आमी फुटबॉल फुटसल टुर्नामेंट ऑर्गनायज केलोलो. म्हाजो एलन सिल्वेरा चॅरिटेबल फावंडेशनाचो हांवें विथ कोलॅबोरेशन डॉक्टर टिना फावंडेशनाचे तेजे बारी कोलॅबोरेशन केलोलो. वुमन फुटसॉल टुर्नामेंट आमकां बरो रिस्पॉन्स येयला थ्रू आवट गोवा. इट वॉज अ 6 सायड टुर्नामेंट आनी आमकां वुमन्स हांकां फाटीं दवरताले कशें दिसतालें. सो आमकां दिसलें वुमन्साक मुखार तांकां एक चान्स मेळोंक जायो. आनी आमचें एम कितें आसा आमचो फावंडेशनाचो सगळे हितून सगल्यांक चान्स मेळपाक जाय, वुमन्साक तशें जेंट्सांक आनी सगल्यांचे आमकां डेवलपमेंट ग्रोथ सगळ्याचे हितून दिसूंक जाय. सो आमी आमचो फावंडेशनाचें हें एवरी डे एंड नाव आमचो कितें ना कितें इव्हेंट चालू आसा, कितें ना कितें आमी सगल्यांक पावता आनी आमकां बरो रिस्पॉन्स मेळलो. हेजे मुखार आमचो प्लॅन आसा हेजे मुखार बरो आनिकूय टुर्नामेंट करपाक, इव्हेंट करपाक, वुमन्सांक बरो तांकां एनकरेज करपाक. सो हो टुर्नामेंट बरो सक्सेसफूल जाला आनी बरो रिस्पॉन्सूय बरो येयला. सो आमचो फ्युचराक प्लॅन कितें आसा सगळे वुमन्सांक आनिकूय डेवलपमेंट करूंक आनी तांकां आनिकूय तांकां हें करपाक. या
तुमी जायते चॅरिटी वर्क करता स्कुलान ल्हान ल्हान भुरग्यांक कितें हेतू कितें आसा?
हेतू म्हणल्यार आमकां सगळे आमचो प्लॅन कितें आसा सगळे हांकां सॅक्टरांक पावोवपाक. आमचे गोंया थ्रू आमचे सातांद्रेनूय खूब आमी मुवमेंट चालू केलोलो आसा म्हाज्या फावंडेशना थ्रू. सो एम कितें आसा सगल्यांक पावोवपाक. आयज काल सगळे सॅक्टर आमचे सातांद्रेनूच सगळे सॅक्टर फाटीं उरला कशें दिसता आनी सातांद्रेन आमचें कांय डेवलपमेंटूच जावना इतलो तेंप. आनी आमचो एम कितें आसा सगल्यांक रीच करपाक, सगळे सॅक्टरांक पावोवपाक खूब प्लॅनिंग आसा. सो प्लॅन ते एक्सिक्यूट करूंक जाय म्हाका. या
आयज तुमचे जे इनिशिएटीव घेतला तर अशें फुडें तुमी आख्ख्या गोंयांत करतले सातांद्रेनूच फोकस करता?
हय फूल गोंयान आसा. गोंयान म्हाजो एम आसा पावपाक. पयलीं आमी सातांद्रेनूच चालू केलेले, आतां आमी हो भायर सातांद्रेचो भायर फर्स्ट इव्हेंट हो डॉन बॉस्कोन आमी हो ऑर्गनायज केला. हो फर्स्ट इव्हेंट आवट ऑफ सातांद्रे. सो हेजे मुखार आमचो थ्रू आवट गोवा भोंवपाक आनी खूब हें करपाक प्रोग्राम करपाक खूब हें आसा. सगळे सॅक्टरांक मुखार काडपाक आनी सगल्यांचो ग्रोथ मुखार पळोवपाक बरें दिसता आमकां. थँक्यू. या
what is this tournament that you have organized?
We have organized this year something called as Ayurasia Utsav, and under this Ayurasia Utsav the whole year planner we have events in sports, art, culture, women empowerment and different sectors wherein we want to promote health to these groups of people. So when it was the month of March, it was a women month, so we thought of doing the women futsal to promote women in sports. It's not only about promoting sports, it is also about integrating them with the health concept, a wellness concept and a lot of other health related activities. It's a platform to bring together women and different groups to promote health and their professions at a together platform level.
Whom you are in collaboration with you?
Sorry?
Anyone is collaborating with you?
This is under my foundation, but at times like we did under 13 futsal tournament for boys, and for the prize money we had a sponsor. We have a sponsor today for the prize money for even this event. We have collaborated with Alan Silvera Charitable Foundation and he has been a good help to us. And we are having a skating championship which is coming up in April. We are requesting sponsors who can come forward and help us in this noble cause of promoting Ayurveda, and different groups at different levels. Hopefully from state level we can take it to the national levels.
Okay.
Come on, Sapna. Ah, nice. Nice one. Come on, Sapna. तू एकला सपोर्ट कर ना सपना सपोर्ट कर
जीनी मैं बाहर हो गया ऊपर जाऊं
ओके
जीनी
Foundation, in association with Alan Silvera's Charitable Foundation, has showcased some incredible talent. passion, and sportsmanship. Let's give a huge round of applause to all the teams who participated and made this event a resounding success. Before we proceed, it's an honor to have with us our esteemed guests. Please welcome our chief guest, Dr. Anupama Kutsadkar, and our special invitee, Dr. Mahindra Kutsadkar. Thank you for gracing this occasion with your presence. It is my esteemed pleasure to introduce our guests. Dr. Anupama has been practicing with your presence. I would also like to take the opportunity to introduce our special invitee, Dr. Mahindra Kutsadkar. Dr. Mahindra Kutsadkar.
Yes, sir. No.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the winners of today's tournament. I also would like to congratulate the runners-up for today's. Both the teams played very well, and it is nice to see all of you playing. And yeah, you should keep it up, and all the best for your future tournaments. Thank you.
It's a pleasure to come back. This school is mine. I've passed out from the same school. So this school has always promoted sports, and I'm glad here to see the quality of the football that you guys played was really good. So keep it up. One day you guys get an international call, you never know. So keep working hard. The best team has won today, but the runners-up, you tried well. It's just a game, somebody has to win or lose. So all the best for the future. Thank you very much.
And all the participants here. A very good evening to one and all. First of all, congratulations to all the winners. This definitely is your moment. But to all the participants who stepped in this field today, know that you all are champions, right? So please put your hands together for all of you. Because coming here, showing that encouragement and, pushing your boundaries, there's nothing like it, right? So thank you so much, especially Dr. Tina and her team for having me here. It's really a pleasure seeing all the women coming, not only in sports, but in the leadership and everywhere. So congratulations once again, and thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Astrid Pereira from Blink FC. Please put your hands together for her, ladies and gentlemen. I request Dr. Tina to please give the prize. I request Dr. Kutsadkar, Anupama Kutsadkar, our chief guest, to give the prize. Hurricane FC. Stella G. Almeida from Blink FC. I request Mr. Alan Silvera and Dr. Tina to give away this prize. Dr. Mahindra Kutsadkar, you will be honored if you present the runners-up trophy and medals to the team.
It was a thrilling day today, isn't it? Congratulations to both the teams. You both are champions for us. Distinguished guests, players, supporters, Alan Silvera Charitable Foundation. Words of gratitude from the deepest bottoms of our hearts. A big thank you to all of you for making this day a huge success. I wouldn't take much time as because they are waiting to go ahead for the next tournament. Wishing you all the best there, and we'll have more matches, more to kick off once again. Yeah? We'll keep in touch. Thank you so much.
performance has truly been inspiring. The winning team, you've earned this victory with your outstanding performance and dedication.
First that camera. Okay, now him.